Good morning, boys and girls. This is your math lesson for today. Today we're going to start talking about temperature. And I don't mean temperature like it's 97 degrees outside. We're going to talk about if things are hotter or colder than each other. Okay, so we don't really need to know how hot or how cold. We're just going to determine which one's hotter, which one's colder. So I'll start this morning with, I have a nice cup of coffee. And after I drink my coffee, I'm going to have some lemonade. Now, if I look at these two objects, which one is hotter? My cup of coffee, exactly. And which one's colder? That's right, the lemonade, okay? And we can tell the difference by how? What are some ways that we can tell the difference if something is hotter or colder than each other? That's right, you can touch it. Okay, sometimes you don't want to touch hot things, but if you get near it, like if I get near my coffee, I can feel the steam coming off and I can feel it's hot. And even if I taste it, I have to taste it slowly or drink it slowly because it's hot on my tongue, okay? Cold, I just got this from the refrigerator. We know the refrigerator keeps our things what? Cold. The refrigerator keeps things cold and frozen in the freezer part, okay? So I can touch it and I can taste it in my mouth. My taste buds can feel that's cold, right? So we're going to talk a lot about hot or warmer and colder, okay? I'm going to attempt to share my screen with you this morning and we're going to go over some things, okay? All right, let's see here. I've got all kinds of things rigged up here. So let's see if I can share my camera with you down here. And there it is. Okay, so my first poster I want to show you says what? What are those words? Does anybody know? You can't see it now. I'm just trying to get it right. It's hotter, okay? Hotter. The coffee is hotter than the ice cream, right? Good job. And my next picture is colder. The ice cream is colder than the coffee. Everybody understand? Okay, good. We're going to do some together. We're going to do a little sort together. I'm trying to pull my clipboard up here. Maybe it won't be so busy on the countertop here. All right, so I'm going to put the words right here. Things that are hot. Squeeze it over here. And things that are cold. Things that are hot and things that are cold. Okay? All right, my first picture I'm going to pull out is the sun. The sun. Where should I put that? That's right. That's something that is hot, isn't it? It is hot. What about my refrigerator? Where would that go? Cold. Good job. That is cold. Good. What about a glass of milk? What do you think? Cold. Good job. And let's see. How about the oven? That's right, it's hot. I'm sure your moms or grandmas or whoever cooks in your house says, don't you touch that oven. It's hot. Okay, we don't want to burn ourselves, do we? All right, let's look at this picture. What is this? Oh yes, that's soup. We might eat that on one of these cold days, and maybe Friday if we see some snow, you might eat some soup to keep warm. How do we know this soup is warm or hot? That's right, we can see the drawing of the steam coming off that soup, okay? So we're gonna put it with the hot, good job. Oh, when we were talking about Friday, what about this? Snow. What is snow? It is cold. Good job. It is cold. And if we go out and play in the snow some Friday, keeping our fingers crossed, we might come back inside and have some what? Hot chocolate. Good job. Is that hot or cold? Of course it's hot. It's in the name, hot chocolate. But I can also look at it and I can see that steam coming off the top. So I'm going to put it over here on the hot side. And my last picture is ice cream. Ice cream. Is ice cream hotter or colder? It is colder. We don't want hot ice cream, would we? It would all be melted. Okay, so we have sorted our items into things that are hot and things that are cold. And I really think you guys are going to do great on this activity today. So in your class kit today, you're going to have a sort, and you're going to sort things that are hot and things that are cold. I know you can do it. Good job.